Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, how's everyone doing? It's been a long time since I actually cooked something. Guess what, today my wife, she went shopping in Birmingham with her brother-in-law and her sister, doing some shopping. I think she's buying the whole of Birmingham. So I thought to myself, you know what, while she's out there, I may randi something, or let me cook something. So I attacked the deep fridge and I found a gustor mosa. Obviously it's frozen. I'm not sure which part of the, thing it is. So I defrosted. I started defrosting. 3 ghanta lagse defrost hoite. Right at the end, 3 ghanta bade, my wife's still in shopping. I think she's having iftar in her sister's house. So she won't be back until later tonight. So my boys and my girl, they're in the house. Once I defrosted the meat, dukkar hota. It's not meat, no. It's some sort of butter, part of the, the meat itself. Let me show you what it is. Oh, the hookah. Yeah, this is what it is. I have no idea what this is. It doesn't even me. I think it's like liver or something. I have no idea what this is. Oh my God, so it's not. So if that I this amra boss I let time khaibane lucky time that ham atai this me she can bust that tomorrow or something. Yeah, so I prepared my table here already. Zin shogol toy badai. Obviously the spices are in here. So I don't know. Iftar amra khol kita di. Yesterday we got some leftovers from yesterday. We got this, we got that. I banged the oven on because I mean cheap and cheerful iftar. Well, something that my kids will like. I made. There's nothing there. Food. It does it. I mean, it ain't gonna happen. This is gone to waste. It's gonna go in the fridge. My wife can use it, I'm sure. So what I did, I went to the shop and I bought some ready-made things. It's all in this bag. Right. Once I prepare everything, and it's not time was out. I've got 20 minutes left to cook. And please comment, like, share, and keep the comments respectable. Yeah, you guys take care. Ramadan Mubarek to everyone. So I bought this pizza from Co-op. Yeah, what's this? Thin crust takeaway. Yeah, brilliant. I'm going to revamp it, make it tasty. So I've got some salami. I'm going to use a bit of onions, bit of chili, bit of badahada, and some extra cheese. I'm going to chop this up. Put it over there, put some cheese, put a bit of this here, and bang in the oven. Why not? Nice and thin. Doesn't matter, it don't have to be nice. Lovely thin slices. Especially thin for another one and a crispy. That's gonna go on my pizza. Need to chop a bit of onion. No one's a massive onion fan. That's probably enough. Pizza, so we're not this much of this salami, mate. Right, so let me chop one onion quick. You go there, you go there. Chuck that away. Chuck that away. Come on, come on. That's what I'm there. Yeah, so I'm the kitchen as a busy Zagana, and they type of a chair. Lucky my wife's not in, she won't be able to moan. Keep it reasonable chunks, you know what I mean? If my kids want to pick on it, not all of them likes onions. Right, open this packet now. So I'm going to open this packet now. Where's the opening? Where's the opening? Look at that, Khatilay. At that time, my wife does so much hustle on cooking. Unbelievable. And I'm not going to highlight at table was a whole display that finish. Okay, my God, Rangsa. So obviously I have to take this off. Camera position down, right? Wicked. My wife tak later for so I'm gonna spread this out nicely. আমার homemade pizza. I mean revamped pizza. আমরা স্টাইল দেখাইতাম. It's a little bit different. Asi আমার wife খিচুড়ি রাখছেন, সানা রাখছেন, some fry up, you know, like samosa and all that. I'm not going to be using that, so I'm going to put some onions. Come on, onion, open up. Onion, খুললা দিলে ভালো হইব. Yeah. Cheese দেখতাম এই বাসনি. Come on, onions. All over. I don't know if cheese has it. Yeah, damn it. Tahok boro. It doesn't matter. It's gonna have some crunch to it. Chili. So I'm gonna cut 2 chilies up. Let me go like this. The chili was there to Zana say. But my little one ain't gonna like the chili, so yes, I did the lemon. I'll try one. Let me have one. Now what? Yeah, sprinkle some. What do you call it? Fiazi? Mozoibo, to la crunchy. Crunchy da para taste bo. Couldn't tell tonight, so I have to send my girl to the shop to get some cheese. They love the cheese, extra cheese. It'll be nice. You guys are going to be shocked. I'm not table that one is start for Ramkita the school. You can take my card, baby. So that's ready to go in the oven. As soon as my daughter comes back, I'm going to take it out, put some cheese on it, bang it in the oven again. So iftar ready to go in the oven. Let's see. Where's the tray? Where's the tray? Ah. So I'm at pizza tray trachmo. Spray a bit of oil in it, which is this one here. Where is it gone? Yeah, wicked one. Hold on. And it goes in the oven. Put it here first. Kind of full up bread out. Put it in the middle. After a little while, when the cheese comes, I'm going to put it on the top. Kisuri, I mean, low heat Kisuri is there, and that's yesterday's sana. It's heated up. It's a low heat. I'm making some onion rings. Iktami, I've not with the other things. So I've not pizza here, and that's the kebab from yesterday. Something else, something special we got on the table. I'll show you later. Oh, cheese and lace, yeah? Cheese I'm putting a bit on the pizza. So my wife ate a lovely samosas when I saw the other day. I have no idea what's inside it. So there's me frying it away. My onion rings are done. And I need to check up on my pizza.
Chicken and cheese.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, pizza. Yeah, pizza, nice one. More pizza. Cheese later from where I can put it on the top now. So this my microwave thing is done. Look at that. So my onion rings are there now. Come on, onion rings. Do you have doa? So after mine, hold on. Yes, I use my left hand. Look at that. That is done. Tamra, fry up things are done. Kisser is hot. Sana's hot. How's my pizza? Yeah, pizza with cheese like uncle. So ready-made cheese and lacy. I'm gonna bang all of this on there now. Look at that. How a day. 10 off 9. Because my cheese boy loves his cheese. Cheese boy. Okay, yeah? More? More! Yeah, how's that?
Yes, man.
Do you know what? I'll use the whole packet, mate. Cheese boy. Cheese boy. I'm gonna bang that in the oven now, but I'm gonna put it in the top, yeah? Hold on. Follow this. Follow. Go down, close that. And it goes in there. Close it for 5 minutes. Hopefully it's really done. There you go. This is our Iftar time. We're gonna do our break of fast now. We're gonna have lovely pizza. Short bought, then we revamped it. That's from yesterday. That's from yesterday. That's from yesterday. That we're gonna have. And we're having pot noodles as well. Check the pot noodles. Proper Bombay one. So our fartar mazami chili taharaisina. Everything's gonna be good, yeah? And you know, after all of this, we've got ice creams as well. Yeah, man. Thank you very much. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Cheap and cheerful, quick and easy. Just because my wife's not here doesn't mean I won't be able to prepare iftar. And I've done it. See you later. Take care. Okay, baby Raha, ekta dua karo, please. Bismillah.
Let's dig in first.
Fanekha ufila.
Yeah.
I needed that.
I'm just sorry, it just fell on me.
Foila pizza. Look at this one.
Baba,
Please do not record me.
Much better.
Baba, water fell on me. Well, that's fine because this can recover from water. My coat can recover from water.
This is proper. Cheese boy. You liking it? Okay, Dakhlani, look at my dessert. Already highlighted. I couldn't wait to it was sitting right in front of my face. Eclairs from Co-op. Lovely fab. And the ice cream will look at Dairy Lee. No, what is it?
Dairy milk,
Dairy milk ice cream. But it's very nice.
not cheese.
And my cup of tea with it. Cup of tea with that dessert.